Kegalla is a prime rubber-producing district in Sri Lanka. Rubber processing is a major source of income for the people, and the smallholder lands are scattered throughout the district. There are about 10 small-scale conventional rubber processing centers and drying houses in the project focus area of the Nelundeniya DS area. Small groups of rubber growers share these centers to process the latex. The majority of the rubber growers use the old, inefficient system of conventional smokehouses for drying rubber, emitting greenhouse gases by burning firewood. Rubber sheets dried this way are of inferior quality and get a low price in the market. Human and Environment Development Organization, an NGO active on environmental conservation, conceived of a method of smoke-free drying and minimizing the release of acidic effluents of rubber processing to the environment. After discussions and a field excursion to a sustainably managed rubber production center, the community were made aware of the benefits of adopting the new methods. They also became knowledgeable on getting a higher income for their produce by practicing eco-friendly production procedures and producing grade 1 sheet rubber. The necessary technical knowledge was offered by the officers of the Rubber Development Department. Rain guards were introduced to prevent water seeping onto the latex, making rubber tapping more viable on rainy days. However, to overcome loss of income during heavy rains, mushroom cultivation was introduced as an additional source of income. The practice of using weedicides to control the undergrowth on rubber lands was changed by promoting the use of mechanical cutters. 5 conventional smokehouses were converted into energy-efficient drying units, which are fueled by sawdust. There are several advantages over the conventional smokehouses, such as replacing firewood by sawdust and the fast drying time of the rubber sheet, usually 24 hours, reducing the quantity of carbon dioxide released into the air, and the ability to produce high-quality rubber sheets with a high market value. The acidic effluents released in producing rubber sheets contains a high percentage of organic matter. When discharged into the environment, the acidic water ferments in open lands or water streams, producing gases with a pungent smell which poses a threat to the biodiversity of the area. Especially Bandula barb, Puntis bandula, which is a critically endangered and point endemic species, was threatened by the water pollution due to rubber effluent. As a solution, it was proposed to generate biogas from the wastewater. 2 biogas plants were built as models, each plant generating sufficient biogas for household cooking. Sludge and wastewater from the plant is used as a fertilizer for home garden cultivations. With technical advice on the use of energy-efficient drying units, the rubber processing community now produce high-quality rubber sheets. They are earning more income, have reduced carbon dioxide emissions, and the wastewater is used to produce biogas.